Have you ever rubbed your hair with a balloon? Well, I'm sure you have. And even if you haven't, it's common knowledge that your hair is gonna stick up. But do you know why that is? Well, let me have the honor of telling you. So, when you rub your hair with a balloon, the fabric of the balloon, which is usually rubber, it rubs onto your hair and it turns it from neutral charges to positive charges, right? And the charges that are present on the balloon are negative charges. So what have we learned? It's kind of like magnetic. It's kind of magnetic. Like if we have two magnets, the north pole of one magnet and the north pole of the other magnet will repel each other because they carry the same magnetic force. But if we take the north pole of one magnet and the south pole of the other magnet, they will attract each other because they are trying to find what they lack, the other charges. So that is exactly what happens. That is why when you take the balloon up here, your hair stands up because they're attracting each other. And that is kind of what happens during lightning. And lightning strikes because when the charges in the lightning are way too much and the charges on ground are like very less, they're in negative, and the charges in the lightning are positive, so it attracts a lot. So that's when lightning strikes. Now let's go a little further with this. So we know that if we, for example, we take two balloons, we rub them with each other, and if we hang them, they will repel each other. Why? Because we have rubbed both of them. So both of them now have positive charges. And what do the same charges do? They repel. But what if only one balloon was rubbed and the other wasn't? Well, in that case, they would attract. Now we could try this with any object like a pen refill. But let's do something a little crazy. What if we took one charged balloon and one charged refill? What would happen? Well, despite contrary belief, they will attract because they are different objects. And because of this, the charges that they carry are different chemically. But what if we rub the same items with different fabrics? So for example, I rub one balloon with silk and the other one with a woolen cloth. Will they attract or will they repel? Well, they will attract. That's right, because the charges again are very different, and the charges depends on both the object that is getting rubbed and the object that's doing the rubbing. Get it now? So give me an example in the comments of each, a case where one repels and one where it attracts. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure there's that subscribe button because I make videos like this a lot, and who knows, maybe I will see you in my next one.